Hi guys, this is Awesome Lawson, and today I'll be making a video that is showing how to put a film canister into a film camera. So let's see. First you need is the battery. Second you need the camera. Yep. So what you do is you open this thing. You put it up. That should open it. And take the canister, open it, get the film, and now you put this side on top. Nope, you put this side on top. You load it up like that. You pull this here, and then that should be ready to go. And turn on the camera. Oh, first thing you do is you need to put on the batteries. Alright, just look at the batteries. There we go. There we go. That should do it. And after that's done, you can see how many. There, you got 36 clips. So this is how you do it. This is Awesome Lawson, and thank you for watching.